This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss lemonade. First, gather your ingredients: fresh sea moss, several lemons, and your preferred natural sweetener like agave or maple syrup. You will also need a blender, a fine mesh strainer, and a pitcher. Make sure you have about 1 cup of pre-made sea moss gel ready, as this is a key component for our refreshing drink. To prepare your sea moss gel, begin by thoroughly rinsing about 1/4 cup of dry sea moss under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, place the clean sea moss in a bowl and cover it with filtered water, allowing it to soak for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Finally, drain the soaking water and blend the softened sea moss with 1 cup of fresh filtered water until it forms a smooth, consistent gel. Now, let's combine everything for your delicious lemonade. In your blender, add the juice from about 4 to 5 fresh lemons, your prepared 1 cup of sea moss gel, and your chosen sweetener to taste. We recommend starting with 2 to 3 tablespoons. Pour in approximately 3 cups of filtered water, then blend all ingredients on high until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. For a perfectly smooth drink, pour the blended sea moss lemonade through a fine mesh sieve into your pitcher, discarding any pulp. Give it a good stir, then place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve over ice and enjoy your refreshing, nutrient-packed sea moss lemonade. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.